How to fill gas in your car. So the first thing that you want to do is open the lid of the gas tank. Then you need to make a payment. You can either pay at the pump or you can go inside and pay at the gas station. Now the question you may have is, how much shall I pay? Because I don't know what amount of gas is required. So you don't have to worry about that. Just pay $100. Authorize $100, and whatever amount of gas you fill into the tank, that is the amount the gas station is going to charge you for, and the rest of it will not be charged onto your card. For example, let's say you fill gas for $45 and you authorize $100, then you will only be charged $45. When the screen prompts you to remove the nozzle, go ahead and remove the nozzle and select the grade. 87, 89, 91 are the grades of gas that you can choose from. Go ahead and choose the grade that has been recommended by the car company. After that, just open the cap of the gas tank and insert the nozzle and pull the trigger and lock it and let the gas flow into the tank. If you're filling up the whole tank, then even if you have locked the trigger and the nozzle, then know that it will stop automatically when the tank is full. So you don't have to worry about anything. And if you're filling up for $10 or $20, then you'll have to manually stop it. So after it automatically stops, just take out the nozzle, lock the cap, and put it back where you picked it up from. That's it.